Hello everyone, welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. I am back again with very important notification for all of you from the Southern Power Distribution Company of Telangana State Limited. Okay, so they have released 48 vacancies and that is only for electrical engineers. So they have released the vacancies which are exclusively for electrical engineers. And in this notification, I'm going to tell you everything about this notification, how you can apply, where you have to apply, what is the selection criteria. Every detail will be covered in this video. And if you like the video, make sure that you hit the like button. And at the end of the video, if you have any queries, make sure that you leave a comment behind. I'll personally reply to all your comments. Okay, so let's get started. So this notification is dated 2nd of Feb. Okay. So, Southern Power Distribution with headquarters at Hyderabad is carrying out electrical distribution business. I think all electrical engineers are well aware about the electrical distribution. Now, what is the starting date of payment of fees? That is 23rd of Feb. And the starting date of submission of online application again 23rd of Feb. Last date of online fee payment 15th of March. So, you still have sufficient time. Last date for submission of application 15th of March. Application edit, if you want to make any correction, they have given that provision also, which is very good. 18 to 21st of March. Downloading the hall ticket, that is admit card, 24th of April. And date of examination 30th of April, which means you have sufficient time because in the first week of April, BARC will be conducted and at the end of the April, this exam will be conducted. So you have sufficient time to prepare for this, and in case you are preparing for BARC, automatically you can do well in this exam. I'll tell you how. Okay. Now, what is the number of vacancies? Beta, number of vacancies are 48 and the age limit is 18 to 44 years. 18 to 44 years. What is the pay scale? The pay scale is 64,295, 2655, 69605, 3100. Up to 99,345 it is going. Up to 99,345, which is a very good salary. And the starting, as it has written, 64,295. That is the starting. Okay. So now, it is saying the number of vacancies are subjected to variation. As of now, the vacancies are 48. But yes, they can change in the future. Now, educational qualification, what is required? You must have a bachelor degree in electrical electronics, yani EE or EEE. ECE is not allowed. Instrumentation is not allowed, either EE or EEE. Of a recognized university in India established or incorporated under a general act, provincial act or a state act. Or institute recognized by University Grant Commission, that is UGC, AICTE or equivalent to section A and B of AMIE examination. Okay. So, electrical and EEE, all these branches are eligible. Only 2 branches are there. Okay. Now, if you have obtained the engineering degree through Open University, you need to have recognition from UGC, University Grant Commission, either AICTE or DEC. Otherwise, such a degree will not be considered. But as much as I know that most of the students are doing regular degree. So, if you have done a regular degree or in electrical or EEE, then it is fine. Okay. Minimum age limit is 18, maximum is 44, and the upper age limit is raised up to 10 years, that is from 34 to 44 as per government notice. Okay, earlier it used to be 34, now they have raised it to 44. Okay. For SC, ST, backward classes and EWS, it is relaxable up to 5 years. It is relaxable up to 5 years. What is the application fees? 200 rupees towards the online application. 200 rupees for online application. Okay. Applicants have to pay 120 only towards the examination fees. So there are 2 parts of the fees. One is the application, one is the examination. Total amount is 320. 200 for application, 120 for examination, which is kind of little bit absurd. Okay. But the candidates belonging to SC, ST, backward classes, physically handicapped or economic weaker section, they are exempted from payment of application fees. Okay. But payment of examination fees does not entitle to be considered belonging to SC, ST, BC, PH or EWS category. That means if you are exempted from the payment of examination fees does not mean that you belong to this category. There might be under special provision that you might be exempted from examination fees. But what have they told? They have told that you are exempted from examination fees, not the application fees. So that is a trick here, that you have to pay 200 rupees, but 120 rupees is exempted. But if you belong to other state other than Telangana, you are not exempted from the payment of the fees. Okay. And the fees will not be refunded. That is very usual. Center for written exam. So it will be held at different center located in GHMC and HMDA area. Okay. Now, let me go to the annexures because they will reveal the entire details about this vacancy. But before that, if you want to pay the fees, if you want to apply, you have to go to this website TS Telangana State southernpower.cgg.gov.in. There you can see this detailed notification and user guide, and there you can make the payment and you can apply for this opening. Okay. Now, you must have the certificate of your BE, BTech, SSC, community, etc. When you are filling up the application, you must have all the certificates of your category, of your degree, everything. The name and date of birth should be as per SSC certificate, that is class 10 certificate, and community, that is SC, ST, backward classes A, B, C, D, E, and EWS as per certificate issued by either the government of Telangana or as the case may be. Okay. The details that you will fill at the time of payment will be carried over to the online application form. Okay, or you cannot alter it later. So make sure that you fill the name, date of birth, all these things correctly as per your class 10 certificate. Okay. Now, edit option will be enabled from 18th March to 21st March for making corrections in case you have filled any wrong data. But I will advise you that do not fill any wrong data to correct it later. Okay. Now, moving to the annexures. So they have given all the details, how your photo must be, how your signature must be. Make sure that you have the photo in the resolution they have prescribed, that you can change in Paint simply. The signature also have to be in the resolution that they have implied, and that also you can alter in Paint. Okay. Or even online, there will be different websites that can do that for you. No big deal. Now, if we go to annexure. Okay. Let's see where it is. And they have also given the reservation. EWS is 10%, backward classes 25% plus 4%, SC 15, ST 10, PH 4, women 33. Creamy layer also they have implied. So make sure that you know your category and you just check the notice how many vacancies are reserved for you. And there is reservation to DISCOM candidates. So candidates belonging to district falling within the jurisdiction of this company, you also have a reservation. Okay. Now, scheme of examination. The written test will comprise of 100 marks, which will contain 100 MCQs. Okay. So it will be an easy paper. Each question will have 1 mark. Section A will be technical and it will be of 80 marks, that is 80 question. Section B will be aptitude, 20 marks, 20 question. On general awareness, numerical ability and history related to Telangana culture and movement. And the exam will be of 2 hours. 2 hours, 100 questions, similar to BARC. But here, beta, they will ask certain question out of 20. I will say you can expect at least 8 to 10 questions based on Telangana culture. Okay. Syllabus they have given, hall ticket they will release and date will be 30th of April. Examination center I have already told you. So examination is of 2 hours. Date, time, venue will be indicated on your hall ticket. That is your admit card. You must reach 90 minutes before the examination to the examination center. Test will be of objective type. You will receive a OMR. So you have to fill the bubbles with a black ballpoint pen. Okay, it is not an online exam. So you must carry a pen with you. OMR sheet you have to hand over to the invigilator in the examination center, but you can carry over the question paper. So you can bring the question paper after the exam. I'll help you solve it after the examination. Okay. Calculator is not allowed. Listen to this. Calculator is not permitted. So your calculation must be good. and provisional key they will give after 3 days. Okay, if there are any objection in the provisional key, that also we can raise to this particular email. I'll help you in that as well. Procedure for selection. So selection will be made on 100% of the written exam. That is, there is no GD, there is no PI. So this is a great opportunity for the students who feel they are lacking in GD and PI skill. And in case your marks are equal, two candidates have equal marks, a candidate whose age will be higher will be ranked higher. Okay. Candidates who qualify the written examination by being ranked high, community-wise, will be called for document verification. So basically, whatever number of vacancies are there in your particular category, based on that, they will call you. Okay. Minimum qualifying marks for open category EWS is 40. Backward category is 35, SC, ST 30 and handicapped is also 30. And minimum qualifying marks, even if you obtain, it does not guarantee a selection. Selection will be on the merit basis. So the list or your rank will decide your selection. So selection list will be drawn into two parts. The first part will have 5% of the post consisting of combined merit list, and the second part will contain 95% of the post consisting of candidates belonging to the TSS PDSL DISCOM jurisdiction only, and post will be filled following the existing rule and other rules of reservation issued. So basically beta, 5% is combined merit list, but the 95% of the vacancies belong to the candidates that belong to that particular jurisdiction. Okay. So though they have opened it for all, but they have reserved 95% vacancies there. Training cum probation, you will be on probation of 2 years, which includes 1 year of training. After the time of joining, you have to deposit your original certificates. And during the probation period, you will be paid an initial scale of assistant engineer with usual allowances. Place of posting, you can be posted at any place that falls under the jurisdiction. And you have to execute a service bond of 5 years. Okay. So 2 years plus 5 years of service bond. Now, let's go to the annexure. So these are the vacancies. 5% vacancy, 1 in general, 1 is BCB, and other than that, so these are 2. And 95% vacancies are reserved for the Telangana state candidates. Okay. Now, what are the annexure? So this is the annexure number 2. Here you will have the entire syllabus. If you see, this syllabus has been copied from GATE exam, but the only thing they have added is numerical method. This is the old syllabus of GATE exam when numerical method used to be there. Then electrical circuit, electromagnetic field, okay, signal system, electrical machine, power system, control, measurement, analog, digital, power electronics. So all this syllabus is exactly the older syllabus of the GATE exam. So you can prepare this. Then general awareness is numerical ability, awareness, English, and something related to Telangana culture, computer knowledge as well. Okay. So this is the school study certificate. In this format you need to have as the proof of your date of birth. They have given this also. So beta, here there are 2 vacancies reserved for the basically other state candidates and 95% of the candidate that fall within the jurisdiction of Telangana state. Okay. But I believe this is a great opportunity for the Telangana state candidates because they can apply for this job. They can get easily a job in this company if they have prepared for GATE well. Now, at the end, what I would like to tell you, beta, we are starting an offline center in Delhi where we will be running batches for GATE 2024 in the month of March. That is this month itself we will be starting. You will get the top educators, 100% syllabus completion, all the study material and plus subscription included. But what are the benefits? The benefits are, beta, if you are an existing plus or iconic learner, you can come offline at 50% discount. If you are enrolled in other coaching institute, you can come to an academy at 50% discount. If you are a new student, you join right away, you get 33% discount and 20% discount you will get on the merit basis. Okay? And this is the latest batch that we have started online where signal system is started by Sujay Jasuja sir for GATE 24 and GATE 25. So if you wish to join an academy, make sure that you remember the code Ankit ESE to come under my personal guidance and to make sure that you receive best of the guidance. Okay. So that is my code Ankit ESE. Okay, I hope this helps all the Telangana state candidate, and if you are interested, make sure you apply. And if you have any query, feel free to leave a comment. Okay, thank you everyone. Let's crack it.